Mastering English Idioms, to play the fox. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, to play the fox. Idioms are a vital part of English, adding color and depth to the language. So, let's unravel the meaning and use of this intriguing expression. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. This can often be confusing for language learners. To play the fox is a great example of an idiom because its meaning isn't immediately obvious from the words themselves. The phrase, to play the fox, means to act cunningly or slyly, often in a deceptive manner. The fox is traditionally seen as a clever and crafty animal in many cultures, so this idiom draws on that imagery to convey someone being sneaky or strategic in their actions. Let's see how this idiom works in different sentences. During the negotiation, he decided to play the fox and didn't reveal his true intentions until the last moment. She is known to play the fox in her political career, always staying one step ahead of her rivals. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe clever, strategic behavior, often with a hint of deceit. This idiom isn't just for literary or formal contexts. You can use it in everyday conversation too. For instance, if a friend cleverly avoids a tricky situation, you might comment, "Wow, you really played the fox there." And that's a wrap on the phrase, to play the fox. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, helping you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of English idioms in no time.